Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, are you?
Fine, thank you. I've seen you have now installed digital menu boards. What was your idea behind moving from static menu boards to digital menu boards?
Yeah, before this boards, we have the bulk boards and everything we want to change, price or an offer, we need many days for this. We need to bring this, we need the money for this, and on the menu boards, always easy. 5 minutes to change a price, create an offer for the customer. It's no problem.
Very good. I'm sure you looked at the market before you decided to install NoviSign. What was your reason to select NoviSign?
Yeah, NoviSign has many good functions. The best function is to use it offline. We have no static connection to internet and need mobile internet. And on other boards, this is very expensive. And with this solution, this is a good way to use it offline. Anytime when we change an offer, we put a mobile stick on it, update, and
Very good. Now, with your experience as an IT expert, you have installed that within 2 or 3 days. Would you recommend NoviSign also for people that do not have an IT background? Would it be easy for normal people to install something like this?
yeah, NoviSign, there are many templates included for this business, bars, restaurants. You can create this in 30 minutes. This is very easy.
Very good. So thank you very much for your time, and we wish you a lot of success with your restaurant and the long collaboration with NoviSign. Thank you.